Hey, so as we're doing these actual two cars using various compressors that are new, we're using extractors that are new, we're using the Tornador Black that's new, we're using the Tornador Black combined with the Velocity Vac. A little awkward to hold right here. I'm at the end of my 50-foot Flexzilla 3/8 line. But this is the base of the Tornador Black. You unscrew the black trumpet, and then, or I call it a trumpet, I don't know what you call it, but anyway, it looks like a trumpet, the horn. And then this is what you pay for when you get the Velocity Vac. There's some ways of different attachments. This hose comes with it. You can attach it to a shop vac, obviously set on the wet ability. And then you just attach this to your compressor. I've got the high flow on all of my parts. I am using the, I'll turn this around. It does have the valve. Talked about this later, but you can turn it down or up on max, whatever you feel is necessary. And that's about it. This screws on. I just wanted to get Tornador. It also comes with these silicone tips, which fit on the Tornador Black ball bearing, cyclotronic ball bearing turn mechanism. And it's kind of late in the day. Forgive me, I'm having trouble talking. The coffee was a long time ago, and I'm hungry and getting hangry. So Amy has been awesome. We've been working hard. We have 2 consecutive, just absolutely nightmare cars today. This one was just given to me. It's an 08 Dodge Caliber, and the Caliber is 12 years old and has 20,000 miles on it, and I got the car for free, and it's perfect. So we're doing video on these. We've got stains on seats. This was owned by a 98-year-old man. If you've been with me before, you've seen this car before. And anyway, without further ado, what we're gonna do is we have the seat here. Pan on up the seat for me, if you would, Amy. Go all the way up and get a nice look all the way to the headrest. Can we get that light on? Yeah, brighten it up in here. We're losing sunlight. So what we're gonna do is I've got a tape line you can see here, and I wanna give a nice 50-50. I have a cleaner in my Solo